Is your iPhone screen looking more like a broken disco ball than a sleek piece of technology? Don't worry, because today we're tackling those annoying blue moving lines on your iPhone and getting your display back to normal. First, let's check your display settings. Head over to your Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Display and Brightness. Make sure dark mode isn't the culprit. Toggle it off temporarily to see if the lines disappear. Sometimes, glitches can occur with display mode transitions. If that didn't work, let's dive into accessibility features. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on display and text size here. Make sure reduce transparency and reduce white point are toggled off. These features, designed to improve visibility, can sometimes cause unexpected display issues. Now, go back to the accessibility menu and tap on motion. Ensure that reduce motion is toggled off. This feature alters how the iPhone animates, and an improper setting can lead to graphical anomalies. Still seeing blue? Let's try a simple restart. Press and hold the power button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, and then press and hold the power button again to turn your iPhone back on. An outdated iOS can also lead to display problems. Check for updates in settings under General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it. If none of these software solutions work, unfortunately, it could point to a hardware problem with your iPhone's display. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit a trusted repair professional for further assistance. Hopefully one of these steps solved your blue line dilemma. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tips.